tell you that each of you have a similar story of adversity. I'm going to share just a little bit about myself. I myself am an immigrant student. 16 when I came. $0 in my pocket. Government cheese and milk. Okay? Guys, I'm telling you, it's your attitude. If you choose to make a difference in your life, you can. That's just my story. Each of you have a story. Each of you can make a choice. Each of you can make a difference. Each of you can stand up to bullying. Each one of you can. You have 3 ladies in front of you today that stood up to bullying. Each one of you can do the same thing. Each one of you can do the same thing. You know what message I got from these 3 young ladies? I'm a principal. I'm telling you, I learn every day. Every day. When interviewed by media, this is what they said. They asked, why did you give up the crown? Why would you do this? Why would you do that? You know what answer they gave me? Because it's the right thing to do.
Oh, wow.
I can't clap.
Let's go back down.
Prairie High School, I want you to make a pledge today. I want you to make a pledge today to stand up to bullying. Because it's the right thing to do. This banner will be in the cafeteria during lunch. Here's what I know about a pledge. Here's what I know about signing your name to something. When you sign your name, you're making an oath, a commitment to do what is right all the time. So if you are not serious about wanting to do what is right, let me tell you this, don't sign it. Okay? When you are ready, I want you to sign it. Okay? When you are ready, I want you to sign it. Because this is a conscious decision to do what is right. Prairie High School, Dr. Brown, I want to thank you again. Guys, I appreciate you very much. Thank you again.